Sometimes you'll just want to report if certain things exist or not in some of your models by parameters. So we can actually come in, and we're just going to use the table that we've been playing with for our other examples. And we're going to put in a table parameter exists function. In this particular case, I'm just going to check the existing model to say, does the word height exist anywhere as a parameter name? We're going to write that to my table. So when we run this, you'll notice that it comes back and it says, okay, your active model does not have the parameter name height anywhere in the name as a parameter. So if we take a look at the parameters list, we can see that in fact it definitely does not. However, if we extend this out into, let's say, all of the PRT files to say, do we have height involved anywhere as a parameter name? It's going to write back all of the part files that it processed and report back to us which items actually have that value in it. You can, of course, sort these to kind of give us a little bit more perspective or better organize things. And you can also take this into Power Query and use this as a filter. So if we wanted to go identify which models had this particular value in it, which ones did not, you could actually extend this into Power Query and then just kind of filter based on the existence and then make whatever decisions you wanted to make whatever adjustments needed to be made in your models from that point forward.